Hey folks, how you doing? Yeah, I wanted to reproduce this recipe because I think I owe you a better video than what I uploaded before. It was kind of like messy and not in sequence. So I redid the Fettuccine Alfredo with melted butter and Parmesan cheese. And you'll see in a minute how it's done on the stove. Thank you. Okay guys, we have Parmesan cheese, butter, salted butter. I use the Irish kind, very good quality butter. And I have here some fettuccine from Butter. I got my water boiling already, so I'm just going to put on my fettuccine. And I'm going to put it aside. I'll give it about 7 to 8 minutes to cook. In the meantime, I'm going to melt my butter while this is cooking. Like I said before, I'm going to add the butter. It's Irish salted butter, organic. It's still got a good flavor and good color. So you want to melt the butter, but you don't want it to burn it. Just slightly heat it on for a few seconds after it's completely melted. I also noticed that they had the gluten-free kind, not in fettuccine and spaghetti, so you can also swap that if you don't want to use gluten. You can use the gluten-free version. The spaghetti, the fettuccine almost done. It's a couple more minutes. And we're just going to add them to the melted butter. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. So you want the butter to really be impregnated. Fettuccine. Stir it well. So butter's melting, butter's nice and mixed with fettuccine. Now you can add your Parmesan cheese, Parmesan Reggiano. I just grated that. Mix it well. And then get some water from water pasta. So you make that cream. You can put 2 ladles. 1 is not enough. And you're gonna get that white cream on the bottom. And finish cooking up your fettuccine. I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. It's up to you and the taste. Make sure you like it. Very easy dish. And there you have it.